Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear your search history on TikTok. First of all, let's launch the TikTok app. Then you want to click on the lower right corner where is your profile icon. When you're on your actual profile feed, you want to click on the top right corner where you see the three straight lines. Then you want to click on settings and privacy. Here you want to scroll down to activity center, which is the second option under the content and display. You click on activity center and then you click on the third option, which is search history. You click on search history and essentially you will be able to see day by day what you actually look for. You want to select, for example, I want to delete the search history from December 15th, and all I gotta do is to click delete. This is how you're gonna go about it. This will delete all selected search history permanently. This action cannot be undone. And now you probably wonder what are the benefits from you deleting the history. Well, this is important because the TikTok algorithm is basing what to recommend you not only as content but also as ads and location-based services. So this is not good if you simply search for something that is not relevant anymore. Meaning that if you was on vacation, for example, in New York City last week and now you're back in your country, but you Google the whole month prior everything or things to do in New York City, but you're no longer in New York City, you're not interested of getting recommendations or getting ads or commercials about New York City, right? So this is how you can go about and filter and actually update your search feed by cleaning your unrelevant search history. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.